We got a 2004 Jeep RUBICON, and we're gonna be replacing the shocks in the front. All right, let me stick my light, and let me show you the shocks that we're gonna put in there, guys. This is what we're looking at, all right? The BILSTEINs. That's what we're gonna put in there, guys. All right, that's what we're gonna replace it with. All right, guys, there we have it. Let me put that to the side. All right, guys, right down here we got two bolts right down there. All right, guys, take your floor jack, put it down below. That's what I'm about to do first, and then we'll continue after that. But you need a 13 just like that. Have it set up with a swivel and an extension and a ratchet, and a 13 and a 13. All right, spray it down, heat it up if you need to. Put a floor jack down below like I did, guys. Right down there, I have a floor jack that's supporting everything up. And we're gonna remove this bolt. Both of these bolts, will remove them. Alright, guys, it's turning from the bottom. Alright, so what I can do is I could just put a impact gun from the bottom, and I'll just throw out the complete bolts and everything. And if it came with the new one, we'll put the new ones in. And okay, it did not come with the new one. It came with the two bushings, two of these big washers, and a one bolt for the top. Alright, so let me get the rest of my tools. Extension with a deep 13 and a adapter. What I'm gonna do is put a gun there. I'm gonna leave this just like that because the wrench doesn't fit in there. It can fit in there, but let's see what happens. Let me put this in reverse. Okay, now I'll put a wrench. I gotta put the wrench on. All right, there you go. The wrench is gonna help me really good. Rust, guy. Rust. There it is. All right, I got one out. Put that to the side. I'll put some lube on it before I do anything. All right. All right, this is the second one, guys. Make sure you have floor jack down there because you don't want a whole suspension to drop down. These are tough. Not easy, guys. That rust is preventing anything from turning. They don't call this thing Jeep for no reason. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, guys, let me set everything up to remove the top and we'll continue. Bolt up there is number 15, and you could drop extension just like that. All right, you see that how I have the extension dropped in there right through that hole. I removed number 10 on this so I could push this back a little bit, and I have my gun on. All right, guys, so let's continue. Since this is the old shock, we don't need it. We could put a vice grip on to hold this because it's gonna spin as I hit the impact gun from the top. So that's gonna hold it for me from moving. And it's still freaking moving. Let me give it a harder grip. All right, there you go. Still no. All right. We're gonna have to hold this somehow, some way to turn that bolt. Sorry I couldn't show you, but I heated the crap out of this thing and got it out, guys. There it is. I couldn't, forgot to put the camera on, but I got it out. Bada bing, bada boom. It killed me. I tried to cut. I put a little slot there because this was twisting in there. So what I did was I put a little slot there so it works like a wrench. It goes right in, alright? So that's what I did there, guys. And it's time to bring the new piece in. Let me remove the bushings from the top right here. Also clean it up really good, guys, and be careful. Like I just heated this thing, it's hot. So this is the pieces I have here. And there it is, guys. So how this is gonna work is this flat side is gonna go against this, just like that. So this flat side is gonna go against that. So one goes from the bottom, one goes from the top, and the bolt goes from the top. Right. So let me get my shock here, clean up the bottom area where it's gonna sit at, and what we'll do is, these shocks ain't joke. I thought it was gonna come down easy. That thing doesn't even move. Right, guys? So what I'll do is, oh, I got a little Allen key. We could put an Allen key on this one. So let's see if I can push it down and then quickly put the shock in its place. Nope, that wasn't quick enough. Let's see if I can do it this way. And yes, I can, guys. There we have it. We have the shock in place. This little guy goes from the top. And we got a bolt. Let me match up a wrench. I got me this number 17 right here, gear wrench, and then I got me this Allen key right here. This is number 5. So I'll put the Allen key from the top from that hole, and I'll turn it with this gear wrench. It's a number 17. So let me put in this bolt right here, guys. There we have it. And then now I'm gonna go from the top. I'm gonna see if I can put the Allen key right through the top. Well, before that I gotta put the gear wrench in, guys. But let me see. Okay, this is the way it's gonna go. So there it is, guys. There you go. Oh, let me get my light. I smacked the light. And here comes the light. So we're gonna give this thing a nice, good snug. Don't overdo it either. You don't want to just kill those bushings in there, and they're screaming for help. We don't want that. And that bolt has a mechanism where it locks itself. Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. This looks pretty good, nice and squeezed. Should be no play. Alright, there you go. Alright, so this is done, guys. All I need to do is go in the bottom. I'm gonna need to put the 2 bolts in from right here, and that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna replace the shocks on this Jeep. Let me get my bolts, put some lube on them, and then you simply, alright guys, so let's just simply take these bolts and drop them in there. You just gotta line the holes a little bit. Same thing on the other one. And once you have that, guys, next step is we're gonna have to find, we're gonna align this hole, put some WD-40 on it, grease or anything. We're gonna have to catch the threads first, guys. There you go, I got the threads on that one. Where's my other nut? There it is, right down there. Bring that over. Put some lube on that. Somebody's fire alarm is on. And we gotta catch the threads on this, and there you go, I got it, guys. We're gonna have to ignore that noise. The fire alarm is on next door to us, not next door, across the street. The babysitter, daycare house, center. Nothing's on fire. Alright guys, there's one. And it's time to get the second one in. There you go, guys, I got them both in, and we have the BILSTEIN shocks installed on this car. Alright guys, thank you, subscribe, bye bye, share and like all of my videos.